Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Question is, using Regula Falsi method, find approximate root of x cube minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 by performing 3 iterations. Now, let this be fx. Fx is equal to x cube minus 4x plus 1. Now, here x cube is there, means this equation has 3 roots and we have to find one of the root. Now interval in which root lies is not given, therefore let us find interval first. Now to find interval we have to put values of x. If you put x is equal to 0, 0 cube minus 4 into x is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now if you put x is equal to 1, then 1 cube minus 4 into x is 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 minus 4 plus 1 is minus 2. Now this value is greater than 0 and this value is negative, means less than 0. Therefore root lies between 0 and 1. Okay. Now if you put x is equal to 2, replacing x by 2 in fx, 2 cube minus 4 into x is 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 cube is 8 minus 8 plus 1 is equal to plus 1, and this value is greater than 0. Again here f of 1 is minus 2 which is less than 0. F of 2 is plus 1 which is greater than 0. Opposite signs, therefore another root lies between 1 and 2. We have to find one of the root. Let us find root which lies between 0 and 1. F of 0 is greater than 0 and f of 1 is less than 0. Therefore, root lies between 0 and 1. Now, first iteration, a is 0, b is 1. Now, f of a, f of 0 is 1 and f of b is 1, therefore f of b minus 2. Now formula is x1 is equal to a f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a is equal to, now let us put values. A is 0, f of b is minus 2, minus b is 1 and f of a is also 1, divided by f of b minus f of a, f of b minus f of a, minus 2 minus 1 is equal to, now 0 multiplied by minus 2 will be 0, therefore first term 0 minus 1 divided by minus 3, that is minus minus will be plus, 1 by 3 is equal to 0.333. Now let us find f of x1. F of x1, replacing x by 0.333 in fx. Now fx is x cube minus 4x plus 1, minus 4 into x is 0.333 plus 1. If we simplify this using calci, then this is equal to minus 0.284, and this value is negative, means less than 0. Okay. Now f of 0.333 is less than 0 and previous greater than 0 value is for 0. Previous greater than 0 value is for 0, right? F of 0 greater than 0. Therefore, root lies between 0 and 0.333. Second iteration. Here A is 0 and B is 0.333, right? F of A is 1, f of 0 is 1, and f of B is minus 0.284. Now x2 is equal to a f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Now if we put values, then a f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. A f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Now again first term is 0, this minus and ये भी minus होगा, therefore minus minus plus. If you simplify this using calci, then this is equal to 0.257. Now let us find f of x2. X cube, that is 0.257 cube minus 4 into 0.257 plus 1 is equal to minus 0.011, and this value is less than 0. That is f of 0.257 is less than 0 and previous greater than 0 value is for 0. Therefore, root lies between 0 and 0.257. Therefore, third iteration, A is 0, B is 0.257, f of A is 1 and f of B is minus 0.011. x3 is equal to a f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a is equal to a is 0, f of b is minus 0.011 minus b is 0.257, f of a is 1 divided by minus 0.011 minus f of a is 1. Again this term is 0, right? Therefore this is equal to 0.254. Now f of x3 is equal to, replacing x by 0.254 cube minus 4 into 0.254 plus 1. If we simplify this, then this is equal to 0.000387. After 3 iterations, x3 is 0.254 and f of x3 is almost near to 0. Therefore, after 3 iterations, approximate value of x is 0.254. Therefore, root is 0.254. If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.